In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the website by Odoo. We'll start from the home screen inside Odoo. Once you're there, look for the website option and click it to open the website builder. This is where you can create and manage your site, and it's the main area you'll use for designing pages and customizing how everything looks. After entering the website section, click on New. This begins the process of creating a fresh page for your website. Next, choose the option to create a new page. Odoo gives you a simple starting point here, so if you're building a website for the first time, don't worry. The process is very beginner-friendly. You'll then need to select your preferred template. Pick the template that best matches the style or layout you want for your website. A template gives you a head start with structure and design, so choosing one that fits your goal can save a lot of editing time later. Once the template is selected, type in your website name. Keep the name clear and relevant since this helps you stay organized while building. After entering the name, click Create. Odoo will generate the new website page and open it in the editor so you can begin customizing it right away. Now click on Blocks. In this section, you can add content areas to your page by dragging and dropping blocks directly onto the layout. This is one of the easiest parts of Odoo's Builder because you can visually build the page without coding. You can place sections where you want them and arrange the content in a way that makes sense for your visitors. Next, click on the Page Design area. Once a section is selected, you can edit it using the available style options. This allows you to adjust the appearance of individual parts of the page and make the design feel more polished and consistent. After that, click on Theme. The Theme panel lets you control the broader visual style of your website. From here, you can change settings for paragraph text, headings, buttons, links, input fields, shadow effects, and advanced styling options. This is useful if you want your entire website to have a more professional and unified look. When you're happy with your edits, click Save. Saving is important so none of your changes are lost. Finally, click on Unpublished to switch the website to Published. That makes your website live and visible. And that's how you create and publish a website in Odoo, from starting a new page to customizing the design and making it public.